Good morning, everyone. A special thank you to Thomas and Lisa in Cumming, Georgia. The two of them, well, the wife got the RayBan 1531. This is the color 3702, the purple and fuchsia. She got the Photofusion green with DuraVision Chrome anti-glare. Let's start with getting hers done. But Thomas, and I may have to call you Tom in the title to make room. He got the 5287, which is the frame that Bobby Bones wear, color 2000, the shiny black, and the 52 eye size. Now this frame comes in several colors and a couple sizes, but he contacted me and said, what is this frame? And so we're able to track it down and find out which one it is. He also got the Photofusion green with the DuraVision Chrome anti-glare coating. This is what it looks like clear. Let me go ahead and expose them to a strong burst of ultraviolet light. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for photochromic lenses to darken. A little bit longer when you come back inside, 45 seconds to a minute, minute 15. Now, I only gave her one burst, so it will get darker than this. But it takes about, as I said, about a minute, minute 15 to return back to clear when you come back inside. The only time they don't work is behind the windshield of your car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't turn dark in a car. In a convertible or motorcycle, yes, they will darken. Now the other thing, they're also temperature sensitive, meaning they will get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable. Nobody or nothing works 100% when it's 100 degrees outside. We all work much better when it cools off. Now, having said that, there is the Photofusion Extra Gray, which will get darker in hotter weather. Now, I'll have a link in the description below for the RayBan 5287 and the 1531. The Photofusion adds 99 in gray, brown, green, or blue. The Photofusion Extra Gray is $129. It costs more because it does more. It'll also get 30 to 50% dark behind a windshield. Now, these all photochromic lenses were the original blue blocking lenses. They, of course, when you look out through them, they block 30 to 50% of the harmful blue light emitted from today's electronic devices. The Photofusion Extra Gray blocks 50 to 70% of the harmful blue light. So if you have any questions, go to the contact page of the website. You can call Jigsaw directly at 919-491-2411. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. This frame comes with, of course, you get all the original packaging from RayBan, the hard shell case, the cleaning cloth. Lisa's getting this hard shell case. I've already written on there I've highlighted the prescription, the DuraVision Chrome anti-glare, the prescription for the right eye, for the left. Same for Lisa's. They will be getting the Zeiss cleaning cloth and one of my premium microfiber cloths. So again, thanks for watching. Click on the link above. Let's have two links. One for the Bobby Bones RayBan 5287 and one for the 1531. This is a petite size. If you're looking for a smaller frame, this is it. Again, it comes in numerous colors. But again, thanks for watching. And now hopefully everyone else has got a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Carry on, Thomas and Lisa. Thank you.